came back from the grocery store. Got some stuff for lunch. So yeah, we're gonna probably try to make some chicken tortilla soup, maybe salad if we're good. We're gonna make some chicken tortilla soup, some chicken broth, tomato, lime, canned corn, avocado, oh, onion. So Josh is cutting onion. We're gonna get some hot soup. It's a chilly and rainy day out, so it should be perfect. Caramelize the onion. Josh is chopping cilantro. Kitchen is becoming a mess. You know, husband cooks, wife films.
Chicken breast. Picked it up at our Mercadona.
All right, it's finally done. Look at that. Yum. Making my bowl. Get some chicken, some broth. All right, I'm gonna add some topping. Just going with my hand. Delicious. Bingo girl. Yeah. So full from lunch, and so the probably rest of the day is going to be studying some Spanish. I have a book that I started. It's called The Science of Getting Rich. It's a pretty thin book, but I've been kind of procrastinating that I need to get back reading it. We'll share that after I'm finished reading.